How to factory reset ABB ACS310 drive? If you want to factory reset ABB ACS310 drive, then follow this process. Press enter button, REF, press down button, go to the PAR, press enter button, 01. By pressing up down key you can go to the one group to another. Press down button, group number 99. When you come to the group number 99, press enter button. 9901, press up button. 9902, when you come to the parameter number 9902, press enter button 2 times. If here any value show like 2, 3, 4, by pressing up down key you can change and set 1. When you set 1, press enter button. Now your drive factory set, all parameter reset to the factory option like minimum speed, maximum speed, start stop command, all parameters set to the factory default. Press exit button, go to the main display.